today's the day we're actually gonna set up the lift. We already took out all the cars and we brought the Corolla here. It's a little windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's over here in Montana. The winds are crazy over here. But we got all the whips right here. Let's go check out the boys real quick. Already setting up. What's up, bro? Boys? I told them about the lift already. It's about, I guess, opposite.
Big reveal. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna install a fucking lift at the house, which is crazy. We're like in a hurricane right now. We got Matt. We got our boy Tyler.
There's Matt right there. There goes Tyler right here. What's up, bro?
If you guys need lifts installed, like at your house or anybody, this is the man to go to. My boy Tyler. He's the one that does it for a living. So,
that's how he does, huh?
Yeah. That one? Oh shit, you alright?
Yeah. Now this will be the perfect weather for those little mics on your clip or somewhere right here, because the wind ain't it. It is super windy out here.
Pull it away a little, or you want it to be.
Yeah, just like right there.
There you go, installed, ready to go. Turn it on.
That shit looks tight already. Can we get in trouble? Fool, we did a lot of shit back. We painted. We had a whole full-on paint booth back here.
Asking stupid ass questions.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at man. Ooh, that food's strong.
Like right there, where you want.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Just gotta move in a little bit and pull in.
Yeah. The hair, just as long as like I'm in between this line and all like that one.
Just enough for you could get some room right here too, bro.
I know. That's what we're gonna figure out. That's why I would say go further.
Yeah.
As far as you can.
Dude, these arms for a 12,000 pound lift, fucking crazy heavy. Okay, we can do the same thing. Actually, go back, but this way, John. Straight back.
Works, Richard. Yeah.
Look how sick it looks. That shit looks tight, bro. Damn. Hurricane out here. Hurricane Fontana is coming. Damn. Oh, shit. What do you think? You liking it right here?
Yeah. I just want to make sure that I can fit like trucks and kind of longer cars too.
Nah, well, I mean, the truck will probably be like right here. What? Like right
Yeah,
here?
but you have to make room in the front though for the truck. Because you have to pull them. Their
Oh,
nose,
yeah.
their nose is longer.
Good shit, food.
Move it?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a little closer. I think it's 13 feet wide.
Okay.
So, let me see that tape then.
Go for it.
Shoot. Your glove's about to fly off. It's ridiculous. How it always gets windy over here, huh? In wintertime or in summer too?
Yeah, it's always.
What about summer?
Bro, the windy city, bro. Instead of Chicago, it should be Fontana, bro. It takes the cake.
What about summertime too?
Nah, summertime. It's mainly like this.
Winter. Yeah.
Yeah, it's mainly like spring or whatever.
Line at the edge.
Yeah, I'll still be able to. Yeah, I could bring a car in here. So.
That's it. This
For sure, 3 cars back here. One right here, one on top, and then one right here. And then you have another one right there when the SI is gone.
Oh yeah, true. Oh, I see.
Hi.
Hey.
That's just so this is where the other Corolla's gonna get swapped too, both Corollas.
Oh yeah, bro. We'll be doing a lot more than that.
Tuning everything, brakes,
That's
suspension.
Dude, we could literally do anything we want, bro. Trust me, no more working on the floor. Those days are over.
Getting all back problems already. I already have back problems as it is, bro. Look, I already want to see one car already lifted.
I know. I know, right? Oh yeah. 220 volts, 60 hertz. Hydraulic pressure. The lift weight, 10,000 pounds. The model, it's a K8. Oh wait.
Might be on probably saying something on the side.
Oh, on the pond. Oh shit, yeah, you're right.
There she is.
Big bitch, bro. The Chinese being special.
Oh, 14.5 amps.
14?
Yeah.
Okay, so like a 20 amp will work?
Yeah.
Alright, fine.
Baby, all secured. Doing right here, bro.
These are the cables that equal both these two together. Go up in tandem.
Oh yeah,
Pretty big.
yeah. Yeah, they are.
Typical 10,000 pound capacity size.
How long have you been doing this for?
3 years now.
All right. Damn, that's a little minute already.
Yeah. I mean,
I've been doing this since 89.
94 for me.
And sorry for the audio again, you guys. My bad. I think that's one thing we need to work on. Our audio is always kind of iffy, but we're doing our best. Hopefully you could hear us clear. I like this color on the Corolla too as well. Little lighter green. Add some flakes to this for sure. Paint job too as well on this. Bro, you weren't playing that this wind is heavy.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah, I don't like it over here. Well, I mean, not that I don't like it over here. It's just the weather's nasty. What's up, bro? That shit looks tight. Look at the lip, dog.
My boy Tyler, Tyler's Austin.
Austin.
Alrighty. Like a week after you cook it,
It's on, baby. What do you think, Matt?
Let's do it.
What are you doing over here, John?
Because once you
Shim them.
measuring the
you know, you need
the
that
geometry.
extra length of the bolt.
measurement. Nah, I don't know.
Oh, there you go.
150. Set the anchors. If you don't do that, you don't know what you're doing. And then the torque after this initial setting is 80.
80?
80
Also
foot-pounds.
60, 80?
Huh?
You said 60 and then 80?
No, it's 150 to
Oh,
set them.
shit. Oh,
And then you don't do it 150 again, you keep pulling it up.
Oh, okay.
80 foot-pounds is
80, 80 first and 150?
no 150 for what I'm doing right now,
Oh, shit. Okay.
and then occasionally 80.
Okay. Alright, so fucking retarded.
Yeah, make sure it's on top.
That one looks like it.
How does that one look? Oh, that's better.
Yeah. Those are systems.
Oh, you already installed this.
Go.
It's level.
She's level?
Yeah.
Alright.
Them legs, baby.
Hell yeah.
Regular grease.
That should work. I just want to get a little on this part of the arm, right here.
Look at my boy. Let him go. Torque that thing.
I'm the Caltrans manager.
Hey, you think this is OSHA approved?
ALI certified, dog.
Hey, true that, bro. True that.
Back here. There we go.
We can like grease that shit up, huh? Here, I'll hold the pin. There you go. Is that it? I think it's in. Is that all the way in?
That's all the way.
Alright, thank you.
Finger that hole.
You're looping it up?
Yeah. You've done that before. Spit on it. Yeah, that's better.
There we go.
There it is. Yep. Legs are on.
Thank you, boys, for all your help.
Bro, that looks so tough. Whole ass lift in the backyard, just right here, is that ass.
OSHA approved. Give me some. Give me some.
All the hoses are tight.
You excited?
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad. I mean, I thought, like you said, I thought we were gonna be here all day.
Well, it's not bad because we got some.
Oh, yeah, this guy.
Yeah, you know what we're doing.
Fool, imagine setting it up all yourself.
Fuck, no. I would have barely put like one post up.
What do you think, bro?
This shit's cool.
It's just tight, huh?
Normally there's like longer ones.
Look at the big homie. He looks like Bowser, huh? Bro, you can't even see your head, bro. Like, you have to be. Could he actually see or no?
Hey, he's the final boss.
I know. They already cut out a hole right here. It said pop out.
What do you think about this one?
Oh, yeah, that's better. Go back.
Hey, with the better seat, trust me, you'll have a little bit more room. Yeah, more flush, more.
To remember.
Well, there's an easier way to do this too if we want to.
What, undo it? Take it out?
Yeah.
The hose got stuck in it.
Is that the thing you need right there?
Yeah, it's in there. Woo! Oh, okay.
But when I top it off, when it's all the way down, or else you'll regret it when it comes to all the way to kind of start spilling out.
Yeah. I think there's one under my foot. Feel something.
Lining up. It's all slippery.
Slippery goose.
Look at that, guys. First car already on the lift.
Woo! Money. Money, money, money. What, let's go back more?
That looks tough. Thank you, bro.
No worries. Yeah, bro. Big thank you to Tyler. If you guys ever need a lift installed and he has some in stock, please hit him up. We'll put his name in his description down.
Yep.
And
Caliberlifts.com.
Caliberlifts.com. Tyler, bro. So hit him up.
Look at the view now. Look at this, guys. That's just bad, guys, huh?
Looking good.
Came out just fine.
Alright then, boys, so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully the audio comes out alright. I know it's super windy, so it might sound like shit, so we're sorry about that in advance.
Hey, show them the What's that? Show them the view one more time.
So all we got to do is just wire it up to the house. And after that, she'll be, hey, chill out. So after that, she'll be fully functional and be ready to go. Why are you talking, brother? Hey, why are you talking, man? You like it or what? So now I want to give a big shout out to my brother Matt, my brother Juan. I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you, Austin, for participating as well. That's going to be it for this episode. You guys like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next time, baby. Late.
Nice!